Hello everyone, this is me Jasneet Kaur. Welcome back to my channel. Before starting today's content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications about my next uploads. In today's video, we will be doing the recapitulation of chapter 4, that is management of resources. So let's begin. Firstly, look at the topics we have understood in this chapter. We have covered concepts of resources, identifying various resources, their classification and their characteristics, the reason why we need to manage them, and analysis of management process, which is the most important topic of this chapter. Let's begin one by one. We have also covered the meaning of resources. So, what resources are? Resources are anything which we make use of while carrying out any activity. Or, in simplified terms, we can say resources are those things which help us to perform any task. Moving ahead, we have done the classification of resources. Firstly, we have categorized them into human and non-human resources. In human resources, we have covered in detail about knowledge, aptitude, skills, time, and energy. And in non-human resources, we have covered money, space, furniture, and equipment. Apart from that, the other classifications which we have covered is human and non-human resources, individual and shared resources, natural and community resources. In the next topic, we have covered different characteristics of resources like utility, accessibility, interchangeability, and manageable. To know more about each one of these, quickly check out the links mentioned in the description box below, or you can click on the top right corner of your screens. Moving ahead, apart from this, we have covered managing resources, how we can manage our limited resources in most efficient way. We have discussed this in the previous two parts of this chapter. Now, other than these topics, we have also covered the most important topic of this chapter, which is management process. There are certain steps involved in this management process, which we have covered in detail in the second part of this chapter. These steps like planning, organizing, implementing, controlling, and evaluation can be understood better with the help of example. So I insist to you, when you watch part 2, make sure you watch it till the end, because in the end I have explained all these steps in detail with the help of example. Alright students, so these are the only topics which we have covered in the chapter 4, which is management of resources. I have not come across any of the difficult terms, so I have not added any term in the recapitulation video. But still, if you come across any doubt, any question you have to ask, please feel free to comment your queries in the comment section below, or you can ask in the online classes. I will see you soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.